Alright, I'm actually very hyped to film video with you guys to share mistakes that some of you do, because I actually make that video for somebody, and I always say, I always react to your comments. I always react to your comments, what you guys ask me to do, what you guys want me to film. And somebody asked me how to grow their business on WhatsApp. That's why I'm putting up this business on marketing, how to grow their following, how to go drive traffic to their YouTube channel using WhatsApp in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that 4 tips I shared why you want to grow your small business on WhatsApp, if you're selling clothes, you're selling wristwatch, you're selling hair, you're selling bag, any business, or you're a YouTuber like me, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, you want to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, definitely stick around with me, because I will share 4 tips that will, I already shared 4 tips that will make you grow. And in this video I'm sharing 4 mistakes you actually are doing that's making you not grow or not getting your most targeted customer. So let's dive into this video, okay? So the first thing I'll be talking about is buying a large amount of followers. All of us know that I talk about in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video before you watch this video, or finish watching the video so you watch that video and get a sense of what I'm saying. We always need to save contacts for us to start business on WhatsApp. So some of us out there, I know some people buy ads, followers buy ads, contacts on their mobile buy ads, people that watch their stories because they want their business to reach a large amount of people. So if you go out there and buy contacts for people you don't know, a lot of them will not have interest on what you are doing, a lot of them will not have the sense of what you are marketing, or not have interest in the business you are putting up in your WhatsApp. So they will definitely view your stories and definitely look at what you are doing and don't have the interest, do not get the interest of what you are actually passing on to this. So they'll click off without patronizing you, without sending you a message or showing interest of what you are doing. So if you are going out there and buying a large amount of followers or large amounts of people to be part of your WhatsApp, to view your status, to be on your contact list, because people actually do buy contacts, and a lot of people say, how do they buy contacts? Yes, they do buy contacts here on WhatsApp. People buy contacts to make their contacts or their following very large or very big, but it does not worth it. You're going to fail if you start buying a lot of contact, because people are not going to have interest in what you do, because you don't know them individually. You didn't meet them individually, you didn't save their contact individually, you bought the contact for somebody that actually knew them, or somebody that actually gathered their contacts. So you're going to fail if you buy a large amount of contact. So this takes us to the next tip of today: using long text type. Long text type, guys, if you are using a long text type, you're not going to hit the main point of what you are talking about. The text type I talked in the previous video is one of the most featured and the most amazing feature here on WhatsApp, where we use to pass information. So if you are actually using the text type and you are abusing that text type, I will say you are putting a lot of quotes, like you are this, you are selling this product, you are passing in a lot of information in just one text type. Personally, for me, I don't read a long text type. Once it has passed 10 lines and it's very, very small for me to read, I don't read it, please. I go to the next post or I click off. So if you are using a long text type, you write food your caption, your text type with captions, people are not going to get the message, people are not going to read it. For example, I have a new video up on my channel. I'm just going to use a particular word to just hit the main point, telling them, hi guys, new video is up on my channel, please do well to click and tell them to watch the video, or tell them about the video, instead of you telling them, hi guys, I am Fefatako, my name is this, I'm a YouTuber, I film video, I do this. Before you tell them, now I have a video, people are just going to read, and they will not get the main point and click off from that story or that text type. You're passing down information to them. So do not use too much of the text type. You are using the text type just to draw attention, just to make the caption very bold for the people you are passing your information to. Just use the text type to hit the main points. The third mistake I'll be talking about in today's video is using too much videos, too many videos, and it is always like I always see this here on my stories. Yeah, I have WhatsApp, I have a lot of contacts, I have a lot of people I view their stories, but a lot of people marketing their products use a lot of videos. Why will I want to look a story and get the main point and you're using 10 videos just to advertise one particular shirt? you're using 10 videos and I'm going to waste my MB in 10 videos. Excuse you, I'm not going to do that. So just use a particular video, edit together, make the video very interesting. Use one video, get your way targeted people. Like I said, put the mind of an individual, put that person in that video, edit it very well, add it to the caption, post it there, and you are going to hit that person that's going to come up to your story instead of you using a lot of videos. You post one video worth 10 MB, you post second video advertising worth 10 MB. So I'm not going to waste my MB on my data for your advert. I'm just going to click off. So you just have to give people what they need and actually what they want to see instead of you using a lot of videos just to advertise your products. Using of images is easier than using a lot of videos. So in images MB, I think it may be images MB on WhatsApp depending on the file, but it is not more than a KB. But if it's a video, it's worth MB. And if you're using MB, people are actually going to raise their MB in viewing your stories instead of you using a lot of videos. So instead of you using a lot of videos, use images to advertise your products quickly to hit the most targeted person, so they will patronize you instead of using a lot of videos. I hope you guys get that mistake. Do not do that. Do not do it. Do not do it. And last but not the least, I will be sharing today's video is one of the most important, and it's mind-blowing. WhatsApp has a feature that you can actually have a link and paste a link for the link to carry you to any place or to any platform you are driving your business, your DMs, whatever. So using the link is one of the most amazing features here on WhatsApp. I recommend people that want me to advertise for them. I will tell them you must have a link, you must give me a link to any business I want to advertise. Why am I saying you should have a link? Not having a link will kill your business fast on WhatsApp. For example, I want to advertise a business on WhatsApp and it's actually not my page, it's actually not your page, it's actually somebody's page, and you want to advertise that business for that person in his page. The person must have a link because it is easy for you to order the product you are going to purchase, to drive traffic quickly to any platform you want to drive traffic to. So I am posting the person's advert on my page without no link. People are just going to look at the product, like the product, without coming to my DM and tell me I want this product, because they would like, I don't want to ask him about the product, I just like the product and all of that. But if I actually paste a link in the text type after viewing their product and they actually saw the worth of the product, they are going to have a link to come to my DM directly, or have a link to go to that person's DM directly, or have a link for them to order that product in particular. So you must have a link in driving traffic to your most supportive platform, or in driving traffic to your own personal DM, or the place they are going to place the order for that particular purchase. So having a valid link for people to actually click and go patronize you and go to your personal DM and ask you how much for this, have a link for you to continue growing there on WhatsApp. I don't want this video to be too long or too boring, because I really want to keep it snatched, cute and simple, because it's actually a mistake you guys do, and some of you will come up, my own is not going well because I apply your 4 tips and it's not going well. So if you are doing this mistake, you are buying a large amount of followers, it's going to affect you really well. And if you're using a long text type, it's not going to lead you on your stories. Always have a link and using too much video will not make you gain anybody to view. That's the most I get people, because when you use a lot of videos than images, people are not going to waste their MB watching all your videos just to get an advert or to get the product you're advertising. So instead of that, use images, use the text type, or just use a video and edit it to make people actually last long on that stories. So not using or having a link can kill your growth and business on WhatsApp. So I hope this first mistake you actually got it and you actually not doing it again. If you're doing it, I hope you stop doing it and will get better. With time, all of us is going to grow here, or just going to go on the platform on WhatsApp and continue to increase our business and grow our business. I love you all for sticking around with me. I am Professor Cole. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm a YouTuber based in Delta State, Nigeria. So in this video, I want to share some tips that will help you grow your business on WhatsApp. That's all. My channel is all about lifestyle, beauty content, and fashion videos. So stick around with me by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you guys want me to film with you guys, and I'll definitely bring it to your screen. I am not joking. I am bringing it to your screen. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. I love you. Bye. Bye. Don't go without clicking the next video. Watch the next one. I'm not going to tell anybody, just watch it. Let me sit and wait for you to watch my video.